There are a lot of scam projects currently out
in
crypto industry. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to detect this scam crypto project. If you are meeting me for the first time, I'm Josao. I'm a crypto forex and synthetic indices trader. If you are a complete beginner, you want to jump into the crypto space, you need to be very careful because there are thousands and thousands of crypto that are what scams. So in this video, let me just guide you on how you can easily identify a scam project. So the first way which you can identify a scam project is by analyzing the team. Okay, you need to what? Analyze the team. What do I mean by this? One, you need to look at the transparency of that particular project. Try to do research about the team, the people that are behind this particular project. Most of the time, these scam coins, all right, you have like anonymous, like or unverified team members. You don't know who is what behind this particular project or the team behind this particular project. So you don't want to invest in this kind of project. Please note this one. And also again, even if like you know the team members, it is always important, all right, to look also for experience. Looking out for experience like in expertise in blockchain, finance, marketing or related, field is very important because you want to know like okay, this set of people that are currently backing this particular project, this particular crypto, know what they are doing. They have what previous experience. They might have worked all right with another project before and it was successful. And this is very important. You need to know about their social media presence. Okay, check if the team is what very active on professional platforms such as LinkedIn, X, and other social media platform. Why is this important? You want to know, all right? You want to go to this platform, for example, X, and try to explore or try to chat about this particular individual or this particular team to know what they have been up to even before coming up with this particular project. So the first way which you can avoid, all right, a scam project is what? By focusing on the team, you analyze the team very well. You need to know the team, all right, what have they been up to. This is the first thing. And the second thing is what you want to evaluate the website. You want to check the website in simple terms. You need to go to the website of that particular project. You want to pay attention to professionalism. When you see a website that is designed all right but not that too professional, you see like a lot of grammatical errors like spelling mistake, please note this can be what a form of red flag. You want to see what clarity of that particular project. You want to see like what they describe the motive or the reason or purpose and the plans in the website. You don't want to start seeing different color in background. You don't want to see just one or two and design and also links. When you click the link, they are not what it's going to take you nowhere. You see broken link. You don't want to what invest in those kind of crypto projects. And also the contact information as well. You need to check and verify these contact details. You might see WhatsApp group, Telegram, or whatever. Make sure you click the link and ensure that all the links are what actively working. Otherwise, this can be a reason for scam. You don't want to invest in a particular project where you don't know what the members and all, and the website is not actively working at all. So this is another thing which you need to look out for if you are a beginner or if you want to invest in crypto projects. The next thing is you want to review the white paper. What do we mean by white paper? This white paper gives you the background of that particular project, the background of that particular crypto project. All right, it tells you like what is this particular project going to be used for, what is this project going to be used for, like the roadmap, what is the plan of this particular project in the next 6 months, in the next 1 year, in the next 2 year, in the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years and all. So you need to look at what the quality scam projects, like most of them, like you see they plagiarize, they copy white papers. For example, you let's say we have a crypto which is like crypto B, let's say crypto B is the name. Then you can see this crypto B, yeah, it's just going to copy what all the white paper details from what Bitcoin, okay, from Bitcoin. Then nothing is going to just change, just one or two words. They just copy from here to here. So you don't want those kind of what project. You need to look at what the quality and also pay attention to what the roadmap. Look for details and a realistic roadmap. Like this roadmap basically means like where is this particular project heading to in the next 2 months, in the next 3 months. Okay, like this might be okay from here. In the next 1 month, we need to accomplish this particular target. In the next 3 months, we want to accomplish this. In the next 6 months, we want to accomplish this. In the next 5 years, we want to accomplish this. So you need to pay attention to the white paper, because the white paper is going to give you all the roadmap towards a particular crypto project. And also you want to make it visible, access whether the goal are achievable. Sometimes they might just put like very big goals and all towards the roadmap. Let's say, for example, let's say coin B, they just launch this coin B, and you say, okay, this coin is going to go towards $50. So you as the investor, you want to ask yourself, is this what's possible for this particular coin to reach $50? All right. What are the things that have been put in place for this particular crypto to pump towards $50 or reach $50? You want to ask yourself, if you know like this one is not realistic, it's not possible, you don't want to even go ahead and invest in this particular project, because most of the time the team members or the one that is behind this particular project might just write some kind of ambitious stuff, and it's like not possible to achieve. At the end of the day, they might just scam people and run away. So you need to pay attention to the white paper. You come to the tokenomics. Tokenomics basically tells you about the data. It gives you information about the distribution, how many supply, how many, what are these particular crypto being used for. So you need to pay attention to the distribution. Examine how tokens are allocated. Scam coins often large amount to the creator. For example, what do I mean by this? Let's say now we have 100 and token, all right, of this coin. Let's say this crypto name is coin is B. All right, out of this 100, and I am the founder. All right, I am the founder. So as the founder, I have 50%. I have 50 of this coin. Then the remaining 50 is for the market. Is for these investors. So which means now I have huge amount of this particular coin B, which is not good. Why is this not good? In case I the price is increasing and people are just buying this particular crypto out of this 50, yeah, people are buying and the price is going to increase. So which means it is possible for me to just sell this my 50. At the end of the day, these guys here with the remaining 50 are just going to crash. So you don't want to see the creators or the individual holding huge amount of a particular cryptocurrency. If you want to know all of this, how you are going to see, check the link in the description section. I have a video which I talk about coin market cap. I explain where you can know all of this, the distribution, the supply, utilities, and other stuff. So check the link will be in the description section. Then also again, you want to pay attention to the supply. You want to pay attention to the supply. Excessive large token supply with unclear burn mechanism can indicate pump and dump. For example, let's say we have this coin B again, we have 10 billion of this coin. So now let's say globally, this coin is you have 10 billion of this particular coin B. Out of this 10 billion, this 10 billion is too much. But now, how is this coin going to be reduced? Because if the coin 10 billion, the more the coin reduce in the market, the more the value increases. That's what they burn. That's what we call burn mechanism. All right, we are burning this coin, which means they are no longer useful. So burning, you purchase the coin. How do they burn? In simple explanation, when let's say we have this first investor that purchased 1 million. So which means the 1 million is already out of this 10 billion. So you just deduct 1 million out of this 10 billion. So this is how you keep burning, burning, burning. Okay, so you don't want to see excessive supply, and they have not explained how they are going to burn this particular token. Because at the end of the day, you are going to see pump and dump. You might just see a massive spike to the upside when they pour a lot of money. At the end of the day, then it does dump again. This is what we mean by pump and dump. So you need to pay attention to the economics. Then pay attention when it comes to economics. Pay attention to the utility. All right. Check if the coin has a legitimate use case or if it is purely speculative. What do we mean by this? We already know about this particular coin BNB. All right, this is the Binance what coin. This coin has different use cases. One of the major one is what it can be used as what transaction fee. All right, in Binance, if you are going to open trade, you can use what the BNB coin to pay what transaction fee. It is also used what to pay bills and all. So which means like this BNB coin has what a lot of what use cases. It means like the more people are using it, the more what people are going to bond. So it comes back to what this supply. This helps what to bond this particular supply for this BNB coin. This is just an example. Okay, so you want to know what is this coin used for? Is this coin is it possible for me to use this coin if I want to buy something online? Am I going to pay with what this particular coin? Is it possible if I want to buy something from China? Is it allowed like I send the customer or I send the buyer or the supplier this particular coin? Is it accepted? So you need to ask yourself all this one. Okay, you need to ask yourself all this particular stuff. The next one is you want to pay attention to the community and social media presence. This is very important. Now, you want to pay attention to the engagement. Look for organic. What do we mean by organic? These are original followers and engagement. You don't want to see like bots. You see like 50 million views or 50,000 likes, but they are not real. They are all what bots. They are fake. All right, but and fake account often what inflate numbers, so you need to pay attention to this one. You want to look for organic what views and engagement. Then also pay attention to claims. Be caution of product with like extravagant promises and guarantee return. Like you might just see a particular project. So I'll use this coin again, coin B, as an example. Then let's say I'm the founder of this coin. I'm telling you, guys, by next month, I just launched this coin today. By next month, January ending, this coin is going to be like $2. You need to buy now and all. Or this coin is going to be $30, $50, $100. You don't want this kind of project at all. All right, they are making claims and they are giving you guarantee in terms of what your returns. So don't go for this kind of project. And feedback, read comments and reviews from forums. All right, like the Reddit, Telegram, Twitter. If you go to let's say this coin be, let's say you go to X now, Twitter, you go to X, you go to the official platform, you want to go to the comment section to see what people are saying. Are they hyping this particular crypto? Are they saying what negative comment? Are they saying positive comment? Because these are all important stuff you need to pay attention to before you try to purchase a particular cryptocurrency. You are going to know if a particular crypto project is a scam by what people are saying from the comment section. So you need to exercise patience and go through this process. The sixth way is liquidity and smart contract. Now, you want to look for lock liquidity. Okay, legitimate projects often lock liquidity to prevent rug pulls. Like in simple explanation, if I can explain this in a simple way, let's say we have like what $1 million in this particular coin. Out of this $1 million, we are just going to like just take what $100,000 and close this one. So when you have like what lock liquidity, if you have watched my deck screener video, I showed you guys a particular section where you can see what lock liquidity. You can see like what this area is going to be what green. It's going to pop up on the screen so you guys can see that. So you want to have what lock liquidity to avoid rug pulls so they don't just run away. The creator of that particular or the creators and the team is going to run away with your money. Then you want to do contract audits. Check if the smart contract has been audited by a reputable firm and ownership. So you can use like tools like BSC scan or ETA scan to see if the ownership of this contract is renounced. So you are going to have like the address for every project. That's why I'm advising you guys, if this is not too understandable, watch my coin market cap video, how to analyze crypto data. The link is going to be in the description of this video. After watching that, you are going to know most of what I'm explaining here. So you can just copy the smart contract, then you go to BSC scan or ETA scan. When you paste this, it's going to tell you if this particular crypto is what legit or if it's not what legit. The seventh way is market listing. Now, scam projects or cryptos are often traded only on these unregulated exchanges. So you want to see like for this particular crypto, is it listed in big exchanges like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, OKX, MEXC exchange, and other big exchanges. Sometimes most of this coin you can find them in this tiny, tiny like websites in this unregulated. They are not regulated, which means there is possibility of like them running away with your money. So you need to be careful when it comes to like this. Although sometimes again, these small exchanges, like when coin are being launched, they are just going to be like listed in these small exchanges as time is going by. When they meet the requirements of these big exchanges like Binance, Bybit, and others before the list, but you still need to follow what the previous six options that I've mentioned to you. Then you pay attention to volume. Beware of low volume or artificially inflated trading volume. What do we mean by this volume? The amount of people that are buying and selling this coin. You want to know high volume is what very important. When the volume is low, it means like a lot of interest is not into that particular project. So you only, let's say you have like what, two or three people trading that coin, buying and selling that coin. It's cost of, or it's going to be what, so, cause of alarm, right? You need to pay attention to that. Then the final one is going to be red flags to avoid is unrealistic hype, more especially when it comes to like this influencer, these YouTubers, TikTokers. All right, like when a particular crypto is being hyped a lot, most of these content creators like influencers collect money from this team. The team paid them money to what, do video to just hype this particular coin. So you need to be very careful if you are following this influencer that are always talking about this particular crypto. This crypto is going to do well. They are just focusing on the crypto. Even them themselves, like they don't have this, they don't have the crypto. So you need to be careful. Avoid coins that are heavily promoted by influencer with no fundamental value. They give you no data, no nothing. They are just telling you about this, the coin is going to go up. I think about this and all this. Please. And this Ponzi like structure, be like you need to be careful. Like referral based earning system. Okay, for example, they say, okay, if you purchase this coin, we are going to be giving you two, three coin, or if you just lock your this particular crypto in this particular platform, if you just let's say it's $10 worth, after 1 week we are going to give you $50. You need to avoid all this policy scheme stuff and sudden launch. Be aware of coins with minimal preparation. Like you did not get to hear from them 1 or 2 months ahead before the launching. Like they are announcing from their platform, we are going to launch this particular token. All of a sudden, they just what launch. You need to be careful of this particular project. So guys, these are the stuff you need to look out for before you buy a project. This is how you avoid. To summarize everything, always ensure to do your own personal research, dive deeper into all aspects of the project, and don't rely solely on promotional materials or influencers endorsement. Please, if something seems too good to be true, it is likely is. Never invest more than you are willing to lose. If you can what you want to invest $10, you know, if you lose the $10, then it's not going to be a problem. Then yeah, please always ensure to do your own personal research. Always ensure to do your personal research. If you find value in this particular tutorial, ensure you subscribe. If you have not subscribed, turn on the bell notification icon on, so you are going to be notified whenever I post a video like this. If you have questions, just drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond within 24 hours. Thanks a lot, guys. I'm Josao from Sierra Leone, West Africa.